Frankly speaking, I do believe that in the market of the business and of the design, there is much more opportunity for a service designer now than for another designer of chairs or, lamps, or because actually it's not that we don't need any longer chairs, but it's very clear in the mind of all of us that we have a lot of problems and a lot of opportunities which are not answered by new chairs, but by new ideas of how we can live together, and that's the domain of service design.
Well, first of all, I think it's important that we fail much more in what we are doing than what we are doing at the moment. And the key to fail successfully is to start experimenting and learning in real environment as early as possible. So instead of doing design in the meeting rooms and design studios, go out to the actual front stage and learn with the people who produce the service and learn with the users who are using the service. And whenever you fail, it's always a great chance to learn, like, why doesn't your idea work? Whether it's the wrong idea, or you're trying to solve the wrong problem, or whether it's the right problem, but just the implementation of your idea for some reason doesn't fit to the way people just behave.